you're experiencing connection errors with your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is working properly. Test the connection on another device, like a smartphone or computer, to confirm that the issue is not with your network. Step 2. Restart your PS5. Power off your PlayStation 5 completely and unplug it from the power source for about a minute. Then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help reset the network settings. Step 3. Update system software. Navigate to the settings menu on your PS5 and check for any available system software updates. Keeping your console updated can resolve many connectivity issues. Step 4. Test internet connection. Go to Settings, Network, Test Internet Connection on your PS5. This will provide you with information about your connection status and help identify any specific issues. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If problems persist, consider adjusting your network settings. You can manually set up your Wi-Fi or switch to a wired connection using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most connection errors on your PlayStation 5. If issues continue, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.